Only one interesting item that's remaining. There is a lucky dip, which is sponsored by Sankalp Semiconductors. Do we have Samir here, Samir Patel? I would like to request him to come up to the stage so that we can. This is essentially a lucky dip for all the participants who have dropped their business cards. And I've been asked to pick up.
All right, and the winner is Dr. Aritra Hazra, Assistant Professor, IIT Madras.
So this prize is sponsored by Sankalp Semiconductors, and Samir Patel is the CEO of Sankalp. So with that, we come to the conclusion of the award ceremony. And I would like to specifically thank the jury members and also the sponsors of the awards, Mrs. TI Managing Director Santosh, and also the secretariat in the office, who had to really work hard, not only to get the nominations in time, then to segregate them, send it to the respective jury members, follow up, and get the results back in time, well in time, to inform the winners, get them over here to make sure that they are available for the award ceremony. A special thanks to all of you for making this happen. Thank you very much.
And I'm going to request Vinay Shenoy to please step up on stage once more. I think one last memento of the day, and this needs to be given to Mr. Krishnamurthy himself.
The next award for the Best Electronics Manufacturing Services Company award goes to AT&S Service India Private Limited. Currently, the largest printed circuit board manufacturer and one of the market leaders in high-end printed circuit board technology. And they have all the required certifications, and they employ approximately 8,100 employees. And they have a net revenue of euro 667 million in 2014-15. The representatives? Anybody from AT&S? Okay, let's move on. So all this was possible. All this awards selection was possible because we had a very dedicated jury, and for both the categories, for the academic as well as the industry awards. So the academic awards jury consists of Professor Abhay Karandikar from IIT Bombay, Department Head of Electrical Engineering, Professor Bhaskar Ramamurthy from IIT Madras, Chairman of Program Implementation Committee, and Sri Venkatesh Prasad, Founder CEO of RVBLSI Design Center. Can I request this gentleman, if you're here, to please come on stage to receive a memento in appreciation of the time that you spent. There were about 135, if I remember the number correctly, applicants or contestants for these awards. And from that, they had to select a very few handful of. For the industry awards, the jury members were Mr. Anil Kumar Muniswamy, Director SLN Technologies, Mr. Sanjay Handu, Supply Chain and Strategy Consultant, and Professor Madhavan Swaminathan, who is the John Pippin Chair in Electromagnetics in University of Georgia Tech. May I request these three gentlemen to come on stage if they're here. I think Anil, I think I saw him. And Anil, please come on stage. that, we come to the conclusion of the awards presentation ceremony. And
time of the evening. I would now like to request Sri P.K. Das, Director STPI, to kindly address the gathering.